Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese rice cake. This delightful dish combines chewy rice cakes with rich, melted cheese, creating a comforting and satisfying meal. We'll go through each step, from selecting the perfect ingredients to achieving that ideal creamy texture. Get ready to create a truly delicious and easy-to-make snack or light meal that everyone will love. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a classic with a cheesy twist. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of fresh or frozen cylindrical rice cakes, which are the heart of this dish. For that irresistible cheesy goodness, prepare 200 grams of a good melting cheese, like mozzarella or cheddar. Our flavorful sauce will consist of 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Don't forget 1/4 cup of heavy cream for a luxurious finish. Now let's get cooking. First, in a medium pan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once simmering, add your 500 grams of rice cakes and cook for approximately 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Finally, top generously with 200 grams of cheese, cover the pan, and cook until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Your delicious cheese rice cake is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately while the cheese is still warm and gooey. You can garnish it with some chopped green onions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for added flavor and visual appeal. This comforting dish makes a fantastic snack or a light, satisfying meal. Remember, you can always adjust the spice level by adding a little more or less gochujang to suit your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.